Welcome again. Today we are looking at frequency distribution table for group data. Did you watch the video about frequency distribution table for ungroup data? I think you should watch that so that you are able to understand much about this particular video. Have you subscribed? If not, then you should subscribe so that you get notification whenever we post new videos. I'm your honest teacher Mike, and today I'm going to take you through step by step preparation of frequency distribution table for group data and even answering questions. Let's dive into the activity of the day. Now, to work a frequency distribution table for group data, you need to know the following basic concepts. This includes class, midpoint, intervals, class boundaries, and also the class limits. So I will explain one after the other. So what is a class? A class is a range of values in which data can be divided in a group frequency table. For example, we can divide our data in this manner: class of 10 to 14, 15 to 19. These are two classes which are adjacent to each other. So that means that the values 10 and other values in between 10 and 14 are the values that fit in the first class here. And then the value 15 and other values in between 15 and 19 are the values that can be accommodated in the next class. That is what we mean by classes. Let me give a different example. I say 20 to 29, 30 to 39. Then we're talking about that the first class here, 20 to 29, that one includes values which include 20 and also 29, and the rest of the other values in between 20 to 29. Similar case, 30 to 39 means that those range of values that start from 30 all the way up to 39, and anything in between 30 and 39 are the values that can be accommodated in this particular class. Then there is what we call midpoint. Midpoint is the average, the upper and the lower value of each class. For example, we have two classes here. The first class 10 to 14. If you want to get the midpoint of this particular class, you take 10, you add 14, and then you divide by 2. It gives you the midpoint. 14 plus 10 is 24. Divide by 2, that will give you 12. Therefore, that becomes the midpoint of this class. What about 15 to 19? You take 15, you add 19, that will give you 34, and then you divide this by 2. Then this one gives you 17. So therefore, 17 will become the midpoint of this other class.